Daddy is making the birdhouse. He's pre-drilling everything to make it easier for you. Barbies approve of Daddy's work?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Sand in the birdhouse. It's hard work, isn't it?
See that right there? You gotta sand that off.
You're doing an excellent job.
I didn't know this scrap of sandpaper could do this.
That's what sandpaper does. It makes stuff nice and smooth so that you can paint on it.
You gotta hold it so it doesn't rub against the sides. Circle. Big area. Circle.
Pick out a spray paint. All right. Trinity and Daddy finished their birdhouse using the instructions we got offline and Daddy's own ingenuity. You were playing. Did you do more playing than hammering? Yeah, that's okay.
He didn't let me.
He didn't let you play with the hammer. You guys did a great job. And you'll have to decorate it later. You ready for lunch?
Sure.
Okay, soup. We're having soup. What color you picked for
Berry
your birdhouse? Berry pink?
Uh-huh.
It's berry pink.
Oh, it is berry pink.
Let us. I want to spray it.
Back up.
Watch out.
Spray it.
You can paint the decorations on it afterwards because the spray paint can get everywhere.
Oh wow, it's all pink.
Mm-hmm. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's November here in Southeast Georgia, late November, and I'm out here working on some projects. As you can see, a couple of them are the paving stones. Trying something different this time. I'm mixing two different kinds of blues to make it look more like a sky. And we're also working on some birdhouses. So today we're going to go ahead and add some detail work on these birdhouses. You can see it looks like it's one shade of blue, but it's actually several. I used a couple different paints to give it a different effect. You can probably see it more on this one. See, like the light blue mixed in with the dark blue. And I'm going to add some yellow jasmine, I think, on each of them. And we'll go ahead and put them out in the yard as part of our birding month projects. I went ahead and put my first coating on it. It's kind of hard to paint on this because of the rough surface, but we put some, that's supposed to be climbing vines and little yellow and orange flowers, and then that one I just went a little whimsical and did some polka dots, sort of polka dots. We'll let that dry and put them outside in a little bit. Okay, here's what the finished birdhouses look like. You can see different flower designs. So now we're going to put cup hooks on there and hang them up outside. Like I said, there's the one with the polka dots.